Dear friends, welcome to my channel. This is a model question paper 1, the electrical and electronics engineer semester 2. The subject is concept of electrical circuits. Subject code is 25EE 21 high. These are the 5 marks question and answer for model question paper 1. So in this question, explain different types of capacitors with application. First, we should know the what do you mean by capacitor. We can use it for capacitor for storing electrical energy. We can classify it is based on the dielectric materials. So one is a ceramic capacitor. We can use ceramic material as a dielectric, and it is having a small size and low cost. We can use it for high frequency circuits like a radio, TV circuits. Coming to the electrical capacitor, we have used a electrolyte is a dielectric. It is a high capacitance value, and we can use it for power supply, filtering and smoothing. Next one is the film capacitor. It is used for plastic film as a dielectric. Next one is the filament capacitor. It is used for plastic filament as a dielectric material. It is very good, suitable and reliability, which we can use it for timing circuits and audio systems. Next will be an mica capacitors. Mica is an dielectric materials. It is having high accuracy and stability, so which we can use it for RF and communication circuits. Say coming to the variable capacitors, it is capacitance vary from manually, so which we can use it for turning of circuits like a radios, which we can use. Next one is an explain the Kirchhoff voltage law with an example. Kirchhoff voltage law, the statement will explain algebraic sum of the voltage around any closed loop in a circuit will be 0. Is nothing but sum of the voltage is equal to 0. So if you coming to the next, let us consider a closed loop which is having a total voltage will be equal to the total voltage drop. It is based on law of conservation energy. When voltage rise, the drops a proper, it will take a proper sign conventions. So I'll explain with example. Example is consider a simple loop. It is having a battery 10 voltage and voltage resistors 4 voltage and 6 voltage. Coming to the Kirchhoff law, summation of voltage is equal to 0. So what are the voltage? 10 minus 4 minus 6 is equal to 0. So supply of voltage is equal to total voltage drop. Next is explain Faraday's law, electromagnetic induction, give any applications. So first law, whenever there is a change in magnetic flux linked with a conductor, EMF will be, electromagnetic force will be induced. It is first law. The magnitude of induced EMF force directly proportional to rate of change of magnetic flux. So faster change in magnetic flux, higher the induction of EMF. Same, there is a no flux, there is no induced EMF, electromagnetic flux. Application, transform, we can use it for transform. It is an working principle of electromagnetic induction used in an electric generator. It is converting mechanical energy into electrical energy. The Faraday's laws, which explain a change in magnetic flux, produce EMF, which is based on many electrical devices. Nextly, describe working of lithium-ion batteries with a neat sketch. So, working of lithium-ion batteries, it is lithium-ion battery, these are rechargeable batteries. Widely we can use for mobile laptops and electrical vehicles. Okay, it is working based on lithium-ion between the two electrode. So one is an anode and cathode, an electrolyte and separator, which is main components. Anode will give negative electrode, usually to made graphite. Cathode will give positive electron. It is made up of lithium metal oxide, and electrolyte with a low moment of lithium ions, and separator which prevents short circuits. Working principle of lithium during a discharge, that means using battery is used. So lithium atoms in anode which release electrons, it become lithium ions. Equation you can write. So when the lithium will move through electrolyte to cathode, okay, electrons will extend the circuit and providing a power. Okay, at cathode, lithium ions and electrons is combination. During a discharge, there is external source of the force. Lithium ion move cathode to anode, electrolyte flow back to anode. Okay, energy stored again in the battery. Next, discharge, simple word, discharge is a anode. Discharge is anode to cathode is a battery give power. Charge is cathode anode, battery storage power. This you understand. More information, please subscribe my channel. I am going to upload another video for 5 marks question and 10 marks question. So please share your friends. Thank you.